Everyone. So my name is Piyush Pathak. So basically, today I'll be working on ETL data pipeline using Apache Airflow. So basically, this ETL pipeline will be set up using Apache Airflow on my Windows machine using WSL2, which is basically using a Linux system. So using this ETL, I shall extract sample data, transform it, and load it, and also serve it as a foundation for real world ETL workflow. So at first, as you can see, you have to install the WSL2 and Ubuntu. So as I have already downloaded the Ubuntu, here you will be seeing this Ubuntu terminal, and you have to follow the steps accordingly. After installing the Apache Airflow and following the instructions up to step 3, we'll go through the local host 8080. Here, as you can see, I've opened the Airflow site, that is localhost, and I will be seeing a simple ETL pipeline which I have made. And here you can see in the graph that I have created three graph. First for extracting the data, second transforming the data, and third is the load data. So uh, in one of a file, I have used a Python code. Let me showcase it. Here in one of a, I shall give you the script in the documentation. So here basically I have used a code in which I have given the following data, and after successfully setting up the pipeline and following the instruction, let me show you the code. This is what the code actually I have given. So basically I have defined the function for the ETL tools, and I have used the Python operator for the Airflow operators.python, and I have uh, extracted this data and also transformed it. Here, as you can see, I can get a CSV file for it, and after that, I shall load the data, in which we shall get data load successfully. So I had defined the DAGs, and also this is what I have done for extracting task, transforming task, and loading the task. Here you can see I have got the status success. Here also status success, and at last I have got the status success. After that, in the event log, now in the logs, you can see that we have got the data successfully, in which it is written data loaded successfully along with the ID that we have given. So thank you. This is my ETL project.